everyone, this is Aisha of Elaborate Designs by Aisha, and welcome back to my channel. Well, today I'm going to be showing you a Christmas tree that I have decorated. This will be my Decorate With Me Christmas tree, and if you've been following me a while, then you know that I decorate with different Christmas trees here in my home. I have a Christmas tree in the living room. We put one in the dining room, and that's where all three of my girls decorate. And we also put one in our bedrooms, all right? So today I'm going to be showing you the one that I have decorated in my living room. And this year I'm doing just a plain traditional Christmas colors of red, green, and silver. And I'm going to be showing you on another video where I got my inspiration. I pulled the colors from this particular decor that I purchased to decide on what I wanted to do with the colors for my tree. All right, the only thing that I purchased was the tree skirt because I did not have one to match with the tree and that I really liked. So I went to Home Depot. My husband went to Home Depot and bought one, and it was under $10. All right, so I thank you all so much for watching. I will be bringing to you at least 2 videos a week, because right now I'm doing 1 video a week, but I will be adding another video, and it'll probably be uploaded like Tuesday and Thursdays schedule that I'll be doing. All right, and this is just for the holidays so that I can get all the content that I have out to you all. All right, so make sure you watch this entire video. I hope that you all like it. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I would love to have you a part of the Elaborate Designs by Aisha family, where you will see event decor designs, you will see balloon designs, and you will also see tablescapes. All right, and during the holidays, you will see a lot of Christmas trees and holiday decoration. All right, I am almost at 600 subscribers, so make sure you hit that subscribe button. And my goal is to be at 1,000 subscribers by the end of this year, which is December the 31st, 2020. All right, so I know that it's possible because I believe it is. All right, so you all have a wonderful day, and I will see you all in my next video. All right, so as you see right here, I am fluffing out my tree. This tree, we've had this tree about 2 years, ever since we moved into our home. And it's a 7-foot or a 7.5 foot tree. Actually, it's one of the tallest trees that I've ever owned. As you see right here, I have my little helpers here that want to come in here and help put up some ornaments on the tree. Yeah, put some down here at the bottom. And I'm using traditional colors of red, green, and silver.
Because they're everywhere on the floor. You have to find them.
I just got me some in my hand.
You have to find them.
All right, and I had to get my husband in here to help reach the very top of the tree, to help put up some of the ribbon that I wanted to put at the top of the tree. All right, so you all enjoy the rest of this video.